Hello guys, welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Watch. In today's video, we're going to be analyzing the XRP chart as well as Bitcoin markets. We have had a lot of volatility over the past 24 hours. We had Bitcoin hit a brand new all-time high yesterday up at $69,000. We had XRP break out with 0.5% fib level and out of this sideways movement that we'd been in for the past 3 months, achieving prices all the way up at 1.35. But then later on in the session, we've had a very harsh pullback here, very sharp, fast pullback here in pretty much the whole crypto market. You know, nearly every single crypto yesterday was trading in the red, and I'm just going to try and explain this. I know that a lot of my followers have been a little bit worried when they saw these moves, but I'm going to go and explain, what's happening here. And let's start off with the XRP chart here. So the XRP, as I just mentioned, we were trading at the highs of 1.35 during yesterday's session. It was all the way up here. We'd managed to break out with 0.5% fib level. And, this was a multi-month high dating all the way back until the 7th of September 2021. So, traders were rightly getting very excited during yesterday's session. I have anticipated to move up towards 1.40. That's this orange line here. I've got my price alert set ready for when we do achieve it. I do anticipate us to hit that going into later on this week. The movement that we saw during yesterday's trading session is very similar to one that we saw last week, and it's not necessarily a bad move. We snapped back, we broke above the 0.5% fib level. We kind of snapped back, and everyone was getting excited at this point. And then we had this, very quick move towards the downside where we actually broke through the 50-day EMA and hit the 200-day EMA on the 4-hour chart. But then what happened after that? It sparked a huge rally. And I think I did post this in one of my ideas. If I just load that up for you, I said, now that we've hit that 200-day EMA, we broke the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, and we had bounced perfectly off that 200-day EMA, and I actually forecast a break towards the upside. And what happened? As you can see, we did break towards the upside. We broke out the wedge. We broke above the 50% fib level, and we actually traded all the way up to 1.35, and that was the highs that we hit yesterday. And the exact same thing has happened during yesterday's trading session, is that we have gone once again and hit that 200-day EMA. We've bounced very, very nicely, and it's only been 8 hours since we have hit those lows. But look, we're back above the 0.5% fib level. We're back at 1.23, pretty much 1.24. So this is very exciting. And if we could get a similar move, if I just grab those bars from that previous move that we occurred here on the XRP chart, if we could get a similar move, you're looking at a brand new swing high here up at 1.36, and I think that we could go even higher. So very exciting indeed here for the XRP. There we go, we're pretty much at 1.24, back above the 0.5% fib level, so the bulls are protecting this market. And also I want to point out that we have bounced rather nicely in this uptrend on the RSI, and all this this pullback that has occurred over the past couple of hours, it just basically has helped our RSI to recover. Look, our RSI was all the way up at 69.70, pretty much overbought, and we're now trading down at 50. So that's fantastic. And if we go over onto the daily chart, we were trading as high as 67, I believe, so 66.47, and now we're all the way down back in the 50s, down at 58. So things are looking good for XRP. It's doing what it's supposed to do. You will get these little shakeouts in crypto. Crypto is volatile. I think I mentioned it during yesterday's video that, you have to expect volatility, these quick 10% moves towards the upside, and then these massive 10 to 15% moves back towards the downside. All it is doing is retracing after breaking out, and that is a very bullish sign here. So I will continue to monitor the XRP chart. As I mentioned, 1.40 is my target going into the end of the week. Movements like this are typically bullish, and we do see a lot of strength afterwards. So I'll continue to monitor this. Make sure you go and follow our Twitter page, and I'll keep you updated hour by hour. Moving over to the Bitcoin chart. Now, Bitcoin, we are approaching that full extension. That I have mentioned in the previous video that my personal price target for Bitcoin is anywhere between 70 to 80,000. 73,000 is where I would have to pinpoint it. And we've broken out this final fib level to go and hit the full extension here. We're currently trading at 65,000. We did hit highs all the way up at 69,000. So we are approaching those all-time highs. But all we've done here, once again, we've retraced. We've gone and back tested this last fib retracement zone, and it's held very nicely. And also we're trading back above the 50-day EMA. So if I go and take you over into the daily chart, there we go. We're just basically retesting that 4.23 retracement zone. So I do anticipate a continuation towards the upside. We will likely go and complete it, which is all the way up at 73,000, and that of course will drag all of the altcoins up with it as well. So very, very bullish indeed for the whole crypto market right now. I do anticipate to see more strength going into Christmas and of course January, but things are looking very, very nicely, and any dips that occur you should be buying. I prefer to buy the altcoins over Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum have that much longer to go, but everything's looking good here. And you know, for those who know, I don't own any Bitcoin at this moment in time, but what I do own is over $300,000 worth of XRP, which I do keep you all up to date with on my Instagram page. So please go and follow the Instagram if you'd like to follow my trade there. But I'm in I think $62,000 profit so far on that trade, so things are going very nicely indeed for XRP, and I expect them to continue. So to wrap it up for today's episode, guys, thank you very much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and the streaming service for more updates. Thank you.